In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the best tree support setting in Bambu Studio. The first thing that you want to do is to highlight your model, navigate through the support category, and then you want to make sure to enable the support option. In here, you then want to click on the tree automatic if you don't want to edit much setting, but I suggest using the normal option. And basically from here, we can then manually add custom support tree and the support blockers. To do that, just click on this specific option, and then we have two ways to add this. Basically, there's the left click and the right click. Now in my case, I want to add the supports where it's weakest. So in my case, it's going to be the wings area right here. I can just use the left click function on my mouse, and from there it will then add the custom support tree onto my 3D model. I'm also going to be adding some supports onto the horns itself. And lastly, my weakest link is going to be on the tail. So you want to add some supports where it's weakest, and of course you can also add something or somewhere between this part. Now the other functionality is going to be the right click, which is the support blockers. Let's say that I want to block supports to this specific area right here. I can just use the right click button onto my mouse and it will now apply the support blocker onto my 3D model. From there, just click on the preview button and you will be able to see the changes that you have made, including the supports that we have applied. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.